Okay, so how to reset a BMW sunroof. Now with mine, the thing that happens just over time is that it doesn't go down fully. Here it doesn't close fully. See, the sunroof is a bit lower. If you can pick that up or not. Yeah, there's a good angle. The sunroof is a bit lower than the roof, so it starts to cause a bit of wind noise and starts to look not quite right. It's just not seating back, so it needs to be reset. Now the same, if you've got a sunroof that's when it's returning, sliding in, it's sort of bouncing and coming back again, this reset trick will do that again. And it is exceedingly easy, which is good news. What we do, with the key on, we simply, up here to the sunroof button, press and hold the vent button. Now it's gone up and vented to the up direction, and this, just holding this for 15 seconds, should be enough to reset it. It should cycle through and reset the entire system. And this is worth a try, you know, no matter what your issue is. If it's making if it's making noise, in mine the glass is just out of alignment, or if when you close it, you tell it to close and it sort of comes halfway along or 2/3 the way along and then bumps and goes back, then all those issues will be fixed by resetting it. And again, if you've got a dodgy battery, you're going to be cycling the sunroof and playing around, then you can run the engine, so there's no chance of running your battery flat. Okay, I'm waffling on here and nothing's happening, so maybe once it's gone up to the vent position, we'll try that again and see what we get. Alright, so I was getting no joy, so I've started the engine just to see if that makes any difference, and then pressing it up and holding it in order to reset the sunroof. Come on, sunroof. Here we go. Down she goes, gonna open. This is me still holding the vent button down. Now it's resetting and cycling through, closing and stopping. Okay, proof's going to be in the pudding. We get out, and yeah, it's now back to flat. It is still a touch down, but that is where it goes back to on mine, where it returns to. And if I had left that and not reset it, the roof would have just slowly gone down, 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 down. Now that is about a year since it's been reset, so it's not something that's I'm having to do on a regular basis, but obviously it's just a little bit out of alignment. It just gets a little bit down each time. So there you go, how to reset your BMW sunroof.